Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0x0000FFFF on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution is to update your drivers. How would you update your drivers? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options in the right pane, select optional updates and install all the optional updates. The second one is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and then go to system configuration, open it. Now after opening it, go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable or apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is to perform a cold restart. Now, what is a cold restart? A cold restart means a restart where all external peripherals are disabled. So, switch off your system and then disconnect all external peripherals and then restart it. After that, you need to check your RAM. How would you check your RAM? Search for Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool or just Memory Diagnostic Tool, you'll get it. Click on Windows Memory Diagnostic and click on Restart Now and check for problems. The next solution is to scan for virus and malware. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab. Click on Scan options, select Full Scan, and then click on Scan Now. And the last solution is to run an SFC scan. How would you do that? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.